Hello friends and welcome to my home. I felt like I needed to create this introduction video to give a direction to this channel and to let you guys know what to expect from the videos that I will be posting in here. As some of you already know, my name is Fabio and I'm a yoga teacher currently living here in Toronto. One of the things that I love about yoga is that you get to connect to something deeper within yourself. Yoga is a journey that gives you the tools to see who you truly are, allowing you to take a look behind the walls that our mind and heart sometimes create. And the beautiful thing about yoga is that every time I step on the mat, I'm reminded that ultimately we're responsible for our own happiness. And I keep that in my heart even when I step off the mat. And because yoga has changed my life so much, I'm going to dedicate the next series of videos on how to build a yoga practice starting from the very beginning. So if you're new to yoga or you're currently practicing but you'd like to refresh some information and move deeper into your journey, then this is the channel for you. My invitation as a teacher is to find what feels good for you today, which may be different than what felt good yesterday. And that's the true essence of being fully in the present moment. Embracing who we are right here and right now. If you're interested in all this, please subscribe to this channel and let me know what you would like to see in here. Also check out my website if you'd like to know more about me and book an online class. Everything's going to be linked down below. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Namaste.